I joined the club in 1992. From 2017, I am the trust treasurer. We have been donating so many institutions, financially well managed and audited. The club is a very prestigious and cosmopolitan club. We are very cooperative and united. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Sudha Seshadri. I am the founder of Thursday Ladies Club. The club was started in the year 1982 in Besant Nagar. The main motive behind the club was to do social service, and the reason for starting this club was my mother, by name Mrs. Komalamma. She initiated me to start a ladies club and do some service to the society because she was herself a social worker. After starting the club, initially, we were only doing, get together and sharing our news and other things. But later on, we thought we should do something for the society and marginalized groups of people. So we formed a trust and registered the trust. The main mentor for this starting the trust was Mrs. Savitri Vaidi, the founder of Monday Charity Club. Later on, we started funding this thing. We conducted many programs, fundraising programs, carnivals for ladies, and collected the funds and did useful services to the society. Like that, we gave funds for the building of a chemistry lab in our home. It's totally for girls, and also educated 20 girls every year. We were giving tuition fees for those girls for the English medium. Then we constructed 3 classrooms for the fishermen folk in Urur Kuppam. And later on, we came to the side and we built a small dormitory for Premavasam, which is the building for the autism children. Apart from this, we also conduct eye camps for poor people, school teachers, free eye camps, and also donate spectacles. We visit senior home centers and spend time with them on special occasions like Gandhi Jayanti and Diwali. We spend and distribute food and clothes for them and enjoy the time with them because they are left all alone the whole time. Like this we have been doing for the past 43 years, and the last year on January 31st, we had a big fundraising program at Nardagan Sabha. The music was done by Shubhashree Kanikachalam, and we raised maximum number of funds, and we have been distributing that for the past 2 months. And on March 12th, an international celebration of the International Women's Day, we are planning to give 12 institutions 50,000 rupees each, and also 6 institutions 1 lakh rupees each. This is our idea, and we want to cover many more institutions as far as possible, and it's all God's grace. I won't take the credit that I'm doing it. It's the combination of people with the same wavelength from Besant Nagar and Kalakshetra ladies who help us to do all this social service, and we also get funds from other associations who support us. So this is our genuine work, and I hope to continue more and more in the future also. Thank you.
பேரவை வானவில்லின் வண்ணங்களாய் இணைந்தோம் இங்கே, வாழ்க்கை பயணத்தில் தோழிகளாய் மலர்ந்தோம் இங்கே, அடுக்களை தாண்டி நம் அடையாளத்தை தேட அன்பு பாலமாய் அமைந்தது இந்த மன்றம். சிரிப்பில் கவலைகளை சிதறடிப்போம், சிந்தனையால் சிகரங்களை தொட்டிடுவோம், திறமைகளை தட்டி எழுப்பும் களம் இது, தன்னம்பிக்கை ஊட்டி வளர்க்கும் வனம் இது. வியாழக்கிழமை மகளிர் மன்றம், தேர்ஸ்டே லேடிஸ் கிளப், 43 ஆண்டுகால சேவை பயணம். எங்கள் வியாழக்கிழமை மகளிர் மன்றம் தொடங்கப்பட்டு இன்று 43 ஆண்டுகளை கடந்து வெற்றிகரமாக இயங்கி வருகிறது. இதை பெருமையுடன் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். காந்திமதியாகிய நான் கடந்த 3 ஆண்டுகளாக இந்த நற்பணி அமைப்பின் பொதுச் செயலாளராக பணியாற்றும் பாக்கியம் எனக்கு கிடைத்தது. எங்கள் மன்றத்தின் சமீபத்திய செயல்பாடுகள் மற்றும் சமூக பங்களிப்புகள் இதோ. கலை வழி நற்பணி ஃபண்ட்ரைசிங் இவெண்ட். சமீபத்தில் நாங்கள் நிதி திரட்டும் நோக்கத்துடன் சென்னை நார்தகான சபாவில் ஒரு பிரம்மாண்டமான விழாவை ஏற்பட செய்தோம். அதில் குயப்பார் குழுவினர்கள் இசை நிகழ்ச்சி நடத்தி அதன் மூலம் நிறைய நிதி திரட்டினோம். சமூக உதவி மற்றும் அர்ப்பணிப்பு. திரட்டப்பட்ட நிதியை கொண்டு எளியோரின் வாழ்வாதாரத்தை மேம்படுத்தும் பணிகளில் ஈடுபட்டு வருகிறோம். சமூகத்தில் பின்தங்கிய நிலையிலுள்ள மக்கள், ஆதரவற்ற முதியவர்கள், சிறப்பு தேவைகள் கொண்ட குழந்தைகள், அதாவது ஸ்பெஷல் சில்ட்ரன், மற்றும் அவர்களை பராமரிக்கும் சங்கங்களை தொடர்ந்து நிதி கொடுத்து வழங்கி வருகிறோம். எளியோரை மகிழ்வித்தல். சேவை என்பது நிதியோடு முடிவதில்லை என்பதை நாங்கள் நம்புகிறோம். பணியாளர் கௌரவம். எங்களுக்கு துணையாக இருக்கும் வீட்டு பணியாளர்களுக்கு, அதாவது மெய்ட்ஸ், கடந்த வாரம் போட்டிகள் நடத்தி அவர்களை மகிழ்வித்து கௌரவித்தோம். குழந்தைகள் தினம். சிறுவர்களுக்கென பல்வேறு போட்டிகளை நடத்தி அவர்களுக்கு பரிசுகள் வழங்கி ஊக்கப்படுத்தினோம். நன்றி கடமை. எங்கள் மன்றத்தில் 40 உறுப்பினர்கள் மட்டுமே இருந்தாலும் எங்களுக்கு தோள் கொடுக்கும் பல நல்லிதயங்கள் உள்ளன. பெரிய அளவிலான நிதியுதவி செய்த தொழிலதிபர்கள், சிறு சிறு பங்களிப்புகளை வழங்கிய நிறுவனங்கள் மற்றும் தனிநபர்கள், எங்களை உலகிற்கு அடையாளப்படுத்திய இந்த தளம், உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எங்களது மனமார்ந்த நன்றியை சமர்ப்பிக்கின்றோம். எங்கள் வழிகாட்டிகள். இந்த மன்றத்தை 43 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு முன் தொலைநோக்கு பார்வையுடன் தொடங்கிய அந்த 4 முன்னோடி பெண்மணிகளை, அதாவது சுதா சேஷாத்ரி அதில் ஒருவர், நாங்கள் ஒவ்வொருவரும் நன்றி கூற கடமைப்பட்டுள்ளோம். மாதத்திற்கு 2 முறைகள் நாங்கள் சந்தித்து ஆலோசித்து செயல்படுவது எங்களது ஒற்றுமையின் இரகசியம். நல்லெண்ணம் கொண்ட இதயங்கள் ஒன்றிணைந்தால் மாற்றங்கள் சாத்தியம். நன்றி.
Thursday Ladies Club and Charitable Trust is very happy to welcome you on this beautiful weekend evening as we host yet another fundraiser to celebrate 43 years of social service. A simple beginning in 1982 thanks to the vision and dedication of our founder, Mrs. Sudha Seshadri. Today, Thursday Ladies Club has earned the goodwill and trust of sponsors and donors globally. You can see from the main sponsor, Arnold Engineering from Germany. I now request our founder, Mrs. Sudha Seshadri, our president, Mrs. Bhavani, our secretary, Mrs. Kantimati, our trust treasurer, Mrs. Madhavi, and our trustee, Mrs. Radha, to please come and light the lamp. I request Mrs. Rama Damodaran to sing the invocation lamp as the lighting.
powerful thought that says, when women support each other, incredible things happen. And community is built, thank you. Community is built when women lift, listen and lead together. These words beautifully reflect the spirit of the Thursday Ladies Club and the purpose of this evening. On behalf of the Thursday Ladies Club, I am delighted to welcome you all to this special fundraiser, an evening where music, memories and meaning come together. Tonight is not just about a concert, but about reconnecting with timeless melodies and celebrating the power of coming together for a cause. A very special welcome to Subhashri Kanikachalam, the creative force behind Quarantine from Reality. Okay. Along with the entire QFR team and artists who will take us on a nostalgic music journey this evening. We are pleased to extend a grateful welcome to our title sponsor Almond Engineering Private Limited, our venue sponsor Super Auto Forge and our associate sponsor Million Alliances Private Limited and other donors. We are happy to have you with us and truly value your association with this program. To our audience and to the members of Thursday Ladies Club, thank you for being an integral part of this evening. Once again, welcome to this special fundraiser by the Thursday Ladies Charitable Trust. Let the music speak. Thank you and enjoy the program.
I now request the founder and chairperson, Mrs. Sudha Seshadri, to say a few words about the club and trust.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to you all on this joyous occasion of a club function. This is a very auspicious occasion for us, you know. We are celebrating our 43rd anniversary of Thursday Ladies Club. Please give a big hand. The club was founded by me in the year 1982. Just for the recreation and socialization of few ladies from Besant Nagar and Kalakshetra colony. We initially had no plans of all this, doing social service and all that. We just wanted to have a recreation, that's all. But as the years rolled by, we thought we should do something for the society and to take care of the downtrodden and the have-nots. So the spirit kept on. As the years rolled by, guided by the principles of rendering selfless service, we formed TLC Trust was formed by us, and a great help was given to me in forming the trust by Mrs. Late Usha Bain, Tangam Vamadevan and Bhanumati Vishwanathan. They were the main support for me to form the trust. So for the past 4 decades, we have been doing this service in many fields. We are associated and partnered with many associations. To name a few, I will tell you. Andhra Mahila Sabha, Away Home, VHS, and also Hemophilia of the Madras chapter and Anandam Youth Foundation. These are all our projects. These are all happens to be our main projects also. When we select a project, we just don't go by hearsay. We go and see the place, we meet the people and see, how they are working, what are their needs, and then cater to the needs according to our financial constraints. In order to raise funds for all these initiatives, we organize carnivals for women entrepreneurs and also for carnivals and stage plays, and also arrange dance and music programs periodically. The funds raised support many social causes like women's health, financing higher education for the deserving students, and also for the senior citizens home and animal welfare and so on. I remember a very nice incident last week when I was walking in the beach. A girl came running to me, a teenager. She said, "Madam, do you remember me?" I was just blinking at her. Then she said, I've just finished my BCom. I'm from Avai Bone. With the funds your club gave me, I was able to finish and I'm supporting my family. That was really, it gave us immense pleasure, you know. Small things go a long way. Then secondly, another incident I want to share with you all. During tsunami time, a 10-year-old girl in Urur Kuppam, she was taking care of her baby sister, 1-year-old, when the mother had gone for housework. It so happened, high tides were coming. The girl, 10-year-old girl, became very alert. She knew if she neglected her baby sister would have been gone away in the waters. She ran and picked up the girl, baby sister, and saved her. Of course, many applauded her. Even at that time, there was an article about her. And, you know, we have taken care of that girl and seen that she does her school education. Thursday Ladies Trust has done that also. The success of all these efforts, depends upon the generosity of our donors. And the title sponsor, Almond Engineering Company, represented by Mr. Rao and Mrs. Lata Rao, she is a senior member and a trustee. And chairman of Super Auto Forge, Mr. Sitaraman and Mrs. Radha Sitaraman, another senior trustee in our club. And Madhavi Kumar, she is our trustee and also treasurer. They're all responsible for making this happen. And there are also many other donors I would like to mention, like Revati Ramakrishnan, Usha Anand, and Amani Jacob, and Mrs. Sridevi, owner of the beauty parlor. They're all our constant supporters to carry on all these projects. And before I end, I would like to thank all the beneficiaries who are here. You have spared your valuable time to be with us. You know, we are doing just a day, but you are taking care of the patients and other people day in and day out. So you have to be congratulated, and you are the motivators for us to do this wonderful job. Thank you once again. Cheers. Enjoy the music.
We now come to an important part of our evening, the reason for this fundraiser, the donations to deserving beneficiaries. Our first beneficiary is Anandam Youth Foundation. Anandam Youth Foundation is a voluntary service organization tirelessly working on a mission to provide 100% scholarship for higher education to the underprivileged and rural meritorious students. Their mission is also imparting value-based life skill training to empower the students. Many of them are now doctors, engineers, lawyers, and in civil services. Some of the awards they have received are Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award by Tamil Nadu Government, Best Social Service Award by Chennai Corporation, Golden Heart Award by State Foundation. Thank you, Revati, for accompanying the founder and managing trustee, Mr. Selvakumar, on stage to receive a check for ₹1 lakh from our trust treasurer, Mrs. Madhavi.
The Thalassemia Welfare Association is a support group formed by parents of children diagnosed with thalassemia to raise awareness about the condition and support the families in Chennai. They are being supported by the voluntary health services at Taramani, and they have a state-of-art transfusion facility at the Rotary Center, with TTK providing high-quality care for patients with thalassemia. So that was Mrs. Amini Jacob, who accompanied Dr. Ganeshan, Honorable Secretary, Thalassemia Welfare Association, on the stage, who received a check of ₹1 lakh from Mrs. Lata Rao. Up next, our second beneficiary is the Voluntary Health Services Adayar. The Thalassemia Welfare Association is a group formed by the parents of children diagnosed with thalassemia to raise awareness about the condition and support the families in Chennai. They are being supported for voluntary health services at Taramani, and they have a state-of-the-art transfusion facility at the Rotary Center, with TTK providing high-quality care for patients with thalassemia. I request Mrs. Amani Jacob to accompany Mr. Ganeshan, Honorable Secretary, Thalassemia Welfare Association, onto the stage to receive a check of Rs 1 lakh from our trustee Mrs. Lata Rao.
Our third beneficiary is Adayar Cancer Institute for Children. Cancer Institute, founded in 1954 by the visionary Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy and nurtured by the steadfast leadership of Dr. S. Krishnamurthy and Dr. V. Shanta, stands as a beacon of hope and compassion in the field of cancer cure. For 7 decades, Cancer Institute has remained true to its guiding principles of service above self, providing compassionate, high-quality cancer care and ensuring that no patient, especially the underprivileged, is denied treatment due to financial hardship. I thank Mrs. Prema for accompanying Mrs. Varalakshmi on stage to receive a check of Rs 1 lakh from our founder, from Mrs. Sudha Sheshadri.
Our fourth beneficiary of the evening is the Maitri Trust. Maitri Trust was started in 2011 to help the underprivileged children studying in government schools and Anganwadis. Since its inception, Maitri has positively impacted the lives of more than 2,600 children from the age of 1 to 6, and they have influenced the lives of 2,000 plus middle and high school students of government schools in and around Arepuram. I will request Mrs. Kamala to accompany the founding trustee, Mrs. Jayanti Ramesh, on stage to receive a check of Rs 50,000 from our trustee, Mrs. Usha Anand.
Annamaya Child Trust. Annamaya, derived from Sanskrit meaning disease-free, is the inspiration behind Annamaya Children's Trust, a non-for-profit foundation committed to supporting children in need of life-saving curative treatment. The trust provides financial and social assistance for complex pediatric care, including cancer therapies and bone marrow transplants, the only cure in many cases of blood cancers, genetic blood disorders, immune deficiencies and other serious childhood illnesses where high costs often put treatment out of reach. Annamaya is guided by its trustees Dr. Deenadayalan, Dr. Vimal and Dr. Rishabh, an expert team with experience of performing over 700 bone marrow transplants together, and whose unit is the only one in Tamil Nadu to be felicitated for exemplary performance under the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Every contribution towards the trust goes directly towards patient care, supporting children through their journey to recovery. Thank you, Mrs. Suchitra, for bringing one of the trustees, Dr. Rishabh Bharadwaj, on stage. And I request our trustee, Mrs. Tangam Vamadevan, to give a check for Rs 50,000 to the founding trustee, Dr. Rishabh Bharadwaj, for Annamaya Children Trust.
The next beneficiary is Sri Arunodayam Charitable Trust. For over 20 years, Sri Arunodayam has been providing a safe and caring environment for abandoned children with intellectual inability in Chennai. These children have been abandoned in hospitals, railway stations, bus stands, and even in dustbins. At Arunodayam, they are welcomed, loved, nurtured, and rehabilitated. They are given a home and family. At present, there are 115 children in the home. They have received the World of Children Humanitarian Award, Saksham Award from the Government of Tamil Nadu and multiple other awards. I request Mrs. Nalini to accompany the founding trustee, Sri Ayyappan, on stage to receive a check of rupees 50,000 from the secretary, Mrs. Kantimati. Please a big round of applause for these people, please.
Thai Karangal Charitable Trust, our seventh beneficiary. Thai Karangal Charitable Trust is a registered non-profit organization dedicated to the welfare and empowerment of visually impaired individuals. It stands as a lifeline of hope for those who choose to dream beyond darkness. For visually impaired female students from economically and socially disadvantaged background, it's a safe home, a place of belonging and source of renewed confidence. They have centers in Chennai and Tanjavur. Thai Karangal's mission is to create a society where visually impaired individuals live with self-reliance, dignity and leadership. Thank you, Mrs. Kripa, for bringing the President and Managing Trustee, Dr. Raja, on stage to receive a check for rupees 50,000 from our President, Mrs. Bhavani.
Up next is Sri Satyanarayana Charitable Trust. Satyanarayana Charitable Trust was formed in the year 1994 and their activities are aimed at serving the underprivileged senior citizens. They have 46 inmates in the age of 16 to 100 and the trust provides food, accommodation and medical facilities at free of cost. They also conduct free tuition classes for the school-going children in the village and vocational training is also provided for the men and women in and around the village. And that was Mrs. Vijayamala who accompanied the trustee, Mr. Shekhar, on the stage to receive a check of rupees 50,000 from our trustee, Mrs. Radha Sitaraman.
Our ninth and final beneficiary for this evening is Akshar Educational Trust. Akshar Educational Trust in Uttandi, Chennai runs Sudhananda Vidyalaya, focusing on school education, integrated with self-knowledge, using modern methods like language and science labs, holistic student development, particularly helping first-generation learners and school dropout through NIOS program. I thank you, Mrs. Lalita, for accompanying Mrs. Tamil Selvi, Principal, Sudhananda Vidyalaya, on stage to receive a check for rupees 50,000 from our trustee, Mrs. Lata Rao. I now request Mrs. Uma Ramakrishnan to introduce Mrs. Subhashri Kanikachalam, while our founder, president and secretary will felicitate her with a bouquet and ponade.
And when the whole world plunged into darkness for COVID, she walked forth with QFR, Quarantine from Reality, a nostalgic musical trip which kept many occupied and which still keeps many occupied by helping a lot of musicians across the globe and by introducing fresh talent every month. And what started as a planned 21-day digital music series on YouTube featuring covers of rare Tamil songs primarily from 1950s to 1990s. It garnered huge popularity and the show grew beyond the initial 21 days, completing over a whopping 775 episodes and evolving today into a globally staged live show. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome the multi-talented, multifaceted and the heroine of the evening, Mrs. Subhashri Kanikachalam. I will now request Mrs. Kanti, our secretary, Mrs. Bhavani, our president, to honor Mrs. Subhashri, and our founder, Mrs. Sudha Seshadri, will hand over the bouquet and welcome her on behalf of all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mrs. Subhashri Kanikachalam. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. I request our secretary, Mrs. Kantimati, to please give a vote of thanks.
Dear music lovers in the audience, all Thursday Ladies Club members, our official sponsors and members of QFR, the Grand Music Troupe, headed by the one and only Subhashri. To deliver a vote of thanks may seem like a mere formality, but to voice our appreciation for all those who made this memorable event possible is an important duty. On behalf of Thursday Ladies Charitable Trust and Thursday Ladies Club, I thank each and everyone who gathered here today to hear this wonderful QFR concert live. Our sincere thanks to the generous sponsors who made this gala event happen on such a grand scale. We thank the Nardagana Sabha and its secretaries Mr. Ravichandran and Mr. Harishankar, who have been very courteous and helpful in every possible way to ensure the success of this event. I thank this appreciative audience for responding so enthusiastically to this unique retro music performance. Last but not the least, I thank the lively and talented QFR team for being with us today and giving us such an enjoyable and mesmerizing musical performance. My deepest gratitude to the TLC members and trustees who have been working tirelessly behind the scenes to make this fundraising program a great success. Once again, and I would like to thank Mrs. Suchi, who had been advertising in Indulge paper about the events every day almost. Once again, I have my heartfelt thanks to all of you. Hope you will have a memorable musical night. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Kantimati. And thank you, audience, for your patience. And now it's time to sit back and lose yourself in songs of a different lifetime that still make our hearts go thak thak, right?